So a lot of my viewers used to write in the comment section requesting for a proof of where I claimed any bonus I make video on. So yeah, showing on your screen is a $1,000 funded account which you'll be using to compete. Yes, you'll be using it to compete. And before making this video, I actually dropped a message in my Telegram group promising each and every one of them I will be dropping enough signal this week that will be able to push us to the top 100, each and every one of us. So if you're just joining this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video to others so that they can also benefit with you on how to make money online. So straight into the video, and by any chance if you might have opened an account with XM before, all you just have to do is put in your login details and click on login and make sure you are verified. And if not, you just have to click on open an account. Then it takes you to where you put in your details, you put in your Gmail, select the country where you're from, create a password with them, and click on this box that represents terms and condition and click on register. So once that is done, a link will be sent to your Gmail which will direct you to the login site. You'll be logging into the site directly. So once that is done, all you have to do is to verify your account with them, submit your documents to verify with them. So from there, the next thing you have to do is click on this three lines showing up here. So once you click on this three lines showing up here, it brings an option where you will see competition. So you click on this competition and it takes you to this next part where you have to click on demo. So we are selecting demo accounts for the competition. So you click on demo and it shows this next part where you have to select. So you can see the weekly demo tournament. So for this one showing on our screen is the one that will be ending on the 7th of January, which is tomorrow. And you can see that it started on the 31st of December to the 7th of January. So you click on upcoming. As you can see, you click on upcoming and it shows the one that will be starting tomorrow, so you can register preparing yourself for tomorrow. So once you click on it, it opens and shows this next part, see, where you can join the demo. So once you click on this white box showing join demo, then a space where you have to create a password will pop up, and then you create a password, click on the agreement and then save. So immediately a login details for your MT5 will be sent to your Gmail, where you just see you have successfully joined the competition. So you can see, and from here you have to go straight to your Gmail to get the login details which you'll be using to log into your MT5. So as you can see right here in the MT5, you click on the cross showing up here, and the server, you can see XM Global MT56. So once you select the server, you put in the login details which was sent to you in your Gmail, and you click on login, and immediately the account will be credited. So you cannot start trading until 1 o'clock tomorrow, by tomorrow afternoon. And for the price we'll be crediting top 50. For the price, you can see showing on the screen. So you can just take your time to go through the price by yourself. But the first and second person will be getting 1,500, the second person will be getting 1,000, and the third person will be getting $750. So, and also don't forget, go through the rules and make sure you don't miss any rules, or else you will be disqualified from the competition. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share to your guys so that they can also benefit with you on how to make money trading the forex market. Have a nice day, guys.